Welcome to Half Double Crochet. Let's crochet together. Today we want to crochet this beautiful shrug with sleeves. It has a beautiful pattern and was a very fun project. So let's start. For this project I used yarn from Hobby. It's called Butterfly and has these beautiful colors. And for the whole project I needed 1.5 balls of yarn. So this was 300 grams of yarn or 750 meters. And then I used a 5mm hook for this project. We start with a slip knot and then we will chain. For a chain you simply have to yarn over and pull through. This is a chain, and the first part of the chain needs to be as long as our lower arm. So it will be a sleeve, and I did 30 chains from my wrist almost to my elbow. When I had the right length, I just checked to see if I really liked it. You can do it longer if you like, of course. So these were 30 chains, and just to be sure that I know where I stopped the sleeve, I put a stitch marker in because I have to do the same length at the other side at the end of my chain. So now starts the middle part. I continue with my chains until this middle part is as long as from my elbow around my body to the other elbow. But it needs to be a multiple of 6. So I chained 6, 6, 6 until I had the right length from my elbow around my body. Then around here to the other elbow. And when I had the right length, I added 4 more chains. So a multiple of 6 plus 4. Then I had the right length for the middle part, and it should be rather loose. So try to not make it too short. And then from this point, I will do 30 chains again for the other sleeve. I put the stitch marker out just to be more comfortable crocheting, but I need to put it in so that I know when the sleeve starts or when the middle part starts. So now 30 chains, and then I have my first row. I put the stitch marker back in. So now I know where the sleeve parts are and where the middle part is. From here I want to do some single crochets. So chain 1. Skip that last chain, insert your crochet hook into the second chain from the hook, grab the yarn, you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through, this is a single crochet. Insert your hook into the next chain, grab the yarn, pull through, you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both loops, again a single crochet. And we will do a single crochet for each chain until we reach the other end of our chain. So single crochets all the way. When we have that, this is how it looks like. So now we will chain 1, then turn our work, and we want to do single crochets in the back loop. Here you can see the front and the back loop, it's like V-shaped. You insert your hook into the loop that is further away from you. This is the back loop. Then grab the yarn, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. This is a single crochet into the back loop. And we want to do 30 single crochets into the back loop for the whole sleeve part until we reach the first stitch marker. So my sleeve part was 30 chains. It might be that your sleeve was longer or shorter. Just be sure to do the single crochets into the back loop until you reach the first stitch marker. Now comes the middle part. So from here we want to do some half double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next single crochet but under both loops. Grab the yarn and pull it out. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. We want to do 3 half double crochets into the same stitch. So this is my second one, and here comes the third. Then we want to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, insert your hook into the next. Grab the yarn and we'll do a single crochet. Then we will skip again 2, 1, 2, and in here we will do 2 half double crochets. So this is my first, another half double crochet into the same stitch. Then chain 1. And then 2 more half double crochets into the same stitch. So in this single crochet we have done 2 half double crochets, chain 1, 2 half double crochets, and we will repeat that until we reach the next stitch marker. Then again skip 2, 1, 2, and here we will do a single crochet. And then we'll repeat that. Skip 2, 1, 2, here we'll do 2 half double crochets, chain 1, 2 half double crochets, all into the same stitch. So this is my first half double crochet, then another one, chain 1, and then 2 more half double crochets. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, a single crochet. Skip 2, 2 half double crochets, chain 1, 2 half double crochets, skip 2, 1, 2, single crochet. And we'll do that until we reach the next stitch marker. So when you've done all those, there should be 3 single crochets left before the next stitch marker. So I can again skip 2, 1, 2, insert here, and we'll do a single crochet. Now we have reached the next stitch marker, so this is where the sleeve part starts again. And for the sleeve part, we will always do single crochets into the back loop. So insert your hook into the back loop only and do a single crochet. And we'll do this 30 times until we reach the end of the row. Single crochet into the back loop. Now comes our 1 row repeat. So from now on until the end of our project, we will chain 1, turn our work. We will do 30 single crochets into the back loop for the sleeve part. When we have done 30 single crochets into the back loop, there should be 1 single crochet left before the first half double crochet. So you can see it here. And in this single crochet, we will do 3 half double crochets. So the middle part starts with 3 half double crochets into the last single crochet before the first half double crochet. So I'm doing my 3 half double crochets. And then I want to do a single crochet into that space that is between the 4 half double crochets. When you pull everything apart, you can see that small space here, and here we want to do a single crochet. Then we will find the next single crochet that is before the half double crochets here. And here we want to do, we skip this part, skip this triangular space. We want to do here 2 half double crochets, chain 1, 2 half double crochets, all into the same stitch. So these are my 2 half double crochets, chain 1, and then another 2 half double crochets. Then find that space that is created by the chain 1 in between here, and here we'll do a single crochet. And we will repeat that until we're done with our middle part. Find the single crochet here, and here we will do 2 half double crochets, chain 1, 2 half double crochets. Chain 1, and then 2 more half double crochets. And then a single crochet into that space in between here. So we start with 3 half double crochets, but after these 3, we will always do 4 half double crochets with a chain in between. And we will do that until we reach the other stitch marker, so the end of the middle part. When we have done the last 4 half double crochets, we want to do a single crochet, but we want to do the last single crochet into the 3rd half double crochet that we can see here at the end. So here you will not find a space created by a chain because we started each row with 3 half double crochets. Find the 3rd one here, and here we will do a single crochet. And this is the end of our row. So now starts the sleeve again, which means 30 single crochets into the back loop only. And this is the row that we will repeat until we reach the end of our project. Let's have a look again. We will start each middle part with 3 half double crochets into that last single crochet that you can see here. These 3 half double crochets are the starting point of our middle part, and then we will do a single crochet into that space. From then on, we will do 4 half double crochets with a chain in between into that single crochet right before the half double crochet of the former row. And we will repeat that until we reach the end of the middle part, where we will do the last single crochet of the middle part into the 3rd half double crochet that you can see here. And then we have reached the other sleeve, where we will do 30 single crochets into the back loop. I repeated that row until the sleeve part could go around my lower arm. This is how it looks like. It's a really beautiful pattern, and the colors are gorgeous. So this middle part is 28 centimeters wide, but the important part is that the sleeve goes around your arm. So now all we need to do is sew that sleeve. So I put my stitch markers in already, and I want to sew together the sleeve part, but also a part of the middle part, because I want my elbow to be in a sleeve as well. We use our darning needle for that, and I just sew the 2 sides together until I reached my last stitch marker, which was 32 centimeters away from the starting point. So I just sewed the whole thing together. And then we need to turn it inside out, and our project is done. And we can try on our beautiful shrug. You can either wear it this way, where it crosses in the back, or you can wear it in the way that it crosses front, just however you like it. And I hope you have fun crocheting.